My name is Bruce Redor, and I'm a consultant with a firm called GainingEdge. I'm an Anglo-American. That means that I was born in England, but I grew up in the United States, in San Francisco, California. That's where I was raised and where I went to school. I went to school at UC Berkeley. Moved to France about 25 years ago, and I've been living in France ever since. I've been working in the business events sector for about the last 25 years, working in a number of different capacities. I was part of the team that opened Disneyland Paris on the eastern side of Paris, and was responsible for business events in Disneyland. And from there I moved to the city of Lyon, where I became responsible for tourism development. And thanks to a very generous mayor, Raymond Barre, who brought me to the city, we were able to turn Lyon into one of Europe's leading business events destinations. After working in Lyon, I joined GainingEdge, again, our consulting firm, and I've been working with them for about the last 12 years. GainingEdge is a consulting firm, a global consulting firm, that specializes in the business events sector. We only work in business events. And we work in a number of different areas. Our main activity is with destinations, be they countries, regions, or cities, and we help destinations to understand what they need to do to attract more business events to the city or to the country, wherever they are. We also work with convention venues, convention centers, exhibition centers, and we do everything from carry out feasibility studies to help them design the convention centers they want to build. We do sales and marketing planning with convention centers in different parts of the world. We also have an activity which is sales representation. That means that we have salespeople in all the markets all over the world, and some of our clients come to us and ask us to help them to find events that are willing to come to their cities or to their countries from different places like Europe or the United States. And so we have salespeople that can help destinations to find potential events and then bring them to their cities. The other thing we do is we work with associations. We have an association consulting branch, helping associations to do things like develop strategic plans, to develop their membership, to make sure that they're bringing value to the members that they have. And the last thing we do at GainingEdge is we have an activity in talent acquisition, meaning that we can help destinations or venues to find the right people they need, the strategic resources they need to help them be effective in carrying out their sales and marketing activities so that they can be successful. There are a huge number of trends in the industry, and we've been talking about them a lot over the last few days here at the ICCA Congress. I think what's really important is that people are looking for more engagement. They're looking for more involvement. They're looking for more experiential activities when they come to events. But one of the things I think which is really important that I want to stress is that a trend which is becoming important is that when people are looking to choose a destination, they choose the destination because of the content that the destination has to offer. In other words, if I'm interested in organizing an event in a specific sector, which could be in the medical sector, or it could be in technology, or it could be in space, could be in any of these different areas, or advanced manufacturing, I'm going to look for a destination where there are activities going on in that destination that would be interesting for me and my delegates to discover when they come to the destination. And that is the reason, that is something I think which is a key trend, and that the destinations that are succeeding today are the ones who have understood how to leverage their economic sectors, which are leaders for them, which are the foundations of their future development, and to use that to attract events to the destination. Luxembourg has a great opportunity to position itself in the business events sector, in the business events market. First of all, it's a great destination. It's centrally located. It has excellent venues. We're sitting in one of them, one of the nicest convention centers in Europe. They have a lot of hotels that are located close by. There are a lot of other activities that people like to take part in when they come to a congress. A lot of good restaurants, a lot of good cultural activities, a lot of good excursions that people can do before and after the events. But I think the thing which is most important for Luxembourg to take advantage of the trend that I was mentioning previously about the importance of content is that Luxembourg has got a very innovative approach to developing its economy. Luxembourg has a number of economic sectors that are leaders, among the leading sectors in the European economy. And Luxembourg has done a good job of promoting those sectors. And through those sectors, they're going to be able to attract an increasing number of large international events to the Grand Duché. And because of that, I think they will become one of the leading event destinations in Europe in the years to come. I found it very exciting. I think it's, for one, I think it's really important for ICCA as an organization to show the world that we can organize different kinds of events, hybrid events, and do that successfully. I think we've been able to capture the energy which usually occurs when we do a real face-to-face Congress. We've been able to capture that even through this hybrid format that we've been using. And I found the discussions that we've had very interesting about what's going on in our industry and what the future is going to look like in this business event sector, which is going to be transformed fundamentally because of the COVID crisis.